All right, guys, we are live here at Blockchain Futures Conference. Just had a chance to kind of break away from all the action. Wanted to bring you guys up to speed on what's going on right now with Zcash. It continues to dominate. Everybody's wondering, where is altcoin season? Why aren't my altcoins moving? Well, one of them is Zcash. It's continuing to turn heads. We're going to dive into exactly what's going on with Zcash from a price standpoint. What's really creating this privacy narrative? Will it last? All of the above. We'll take a look at the overall market too. All of this in the video. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and let's dive in. We'll take a look first at price action. We did cross over the $500 Zcash price, which is pretty insane what's happening right now. If we zoom into the chart a little bit, you guys can see we're up 210% in the last month. If you zoom out though and take a deeper dive into this, this is the weekly on Zcash. If we take a look at where we were early September 1st, all the way to where we are today, up 918% in the last 63 days. Crazy. So while there hasn't been an altcoin season that's happened all at once, there's been certain sectors, certain pockets of the market moving. We saw it early in 2024, the ISO compliant plays, XRP, HBAR, XLM. They're all still the top gainers in the last 365 days. But Zcash has joined the party. And the privacy narrative, it's come and gone many times in crypto, right? But is it sustainable? Is it actually here to stay this time? We've got rising global concern over surveillance, data privacy, and regulatory spotlight has certainly boosted interest in privacy coins. And Zcash right now is positioning itself as one of the most compliant privacy solutions out there. And we're seeing large numbers of ZEC coins being moved into shielded pools. This is a big part of the equation right now. One article mentioned 4.5 million plus ZEC being shielded right now. And the team behind Zcash has rolled out a Q4 2025 roadmap, which also has people excited that features improved privacy functionality like, multi-sig for hardware wallets. That's something we've been kind of looking at for a really long time. Improvements in interoperability as well, which includes cross-chain transfers, wallet usability, and shielded asset layers that are also cited in a lot of the recent updates here in Q4 2025. But if we take a look at some of the other things happening around the market, let's take a look at BTC, because as Bitcoin goes, so goes everything else. Bitcoin bouncing back today pretty nicely, up about 3.3% right now. Same thing with ETH. We came down to about 3,100. We're back up to about 3,500 today. XRP's up 10%. It's the leader of the top 10 right now. Really, really nice bounce on XRP. If you were able to catch the bottom yesterday in that 220 range, up nicely here, about 10% on the day. So we take a look at the top gainers. Zcash up here, SPX bouncing pretty nicely. Plasma XBL, which is the token by Peter Thiel. We'll see how this thing plays out. It's been a good trade. It's very volatile. Goes up, goes down quite a bit. But overall, I mean, it hasn't looked great when you zoom out at the chart holistically. There it is the last month or so. If you take a look at that, it doesn't look great. Now, of course, we're always making some moves. In our portfolio, we just bought some altcoins on the most recent dip in the last couple of days. You guys can come on over and join us at the Patreon if you haven't already. Full portfolio access, buy and sell alerts, private Discord community, exclusive video content, all kind of great stuff. So definitely come on over and join us over there at the Patreon. So that's what's going on right now. But I've said this to a lot of people I ran into today about Zcash. You know, a lot of people yesterday, when it dipped down, they said, oh my gosh, this is the end of the road. Here we go. Just yesterday, you could have got Zcash under $400. We crossed over 500 today. Where there's this level of volume, this isn't just by accident. There's a lot happening here, and you really need to look underneath the hood to understand kind of what's going on here. The privacy narrative, I think it's here to stay in this era that we're in with institutions coming into crypto. This becomes a bigger and bigger use case in terms of the tech that Zcash is offered. So let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.